Okay, all right, there we go. Sound is good. Alrighty. Hey everybody, welcome in. We are getting ready to start going live. We are here to um talk about how AI is going to affect the investing world. Waiting for Cody to join us. Let's send him a quick text message. There we go. Send him a quick text message. If you hear some dogs barking, I do apologize. I got my pups in here today. So terribly sorry, but we're going to get started in a little bit. A lot of you guys, like and follow us. We do our crypto morning chat every morning at between starting time around 8:30 to 9. Getting ready to we do about an hour long chat about investments and certain topics, and we're always open forum so anyone can join in. So I definitely will let you know. Cody will be here in a little a little minute. So it's just gonna be a crazy thing. Let me go through and start. Let's start. I'm gonna share my screen here. I'm gonna go over some things here because right now we're kind of looking at Bitcoin's just hovering above 27,000. Uh, Kind of everything's in a little bit of red. XRP holding 42 cents, not where I would like it to be. I'd like it to be a little lower. Uh, Got Polkadot at 527. Still good. Still a good buy. Still buying in. Atom at 1081. Still waiting for that to get back into around between the $7 and $8 range before I start buying more of it. Quant at 105. It's holding strong. I'm kind of hoping this Sunday it goes to $90. That'd be a good buy entry point for Quant. And keep in hold, there'll be a video coming out on Quant. Those of you that are new joining, we're getting ready to start. Cody will be live shortly with us. We can talk about AI and how it's going to affect investing and the world of business. But we do these live streams every day, Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m., as well as we do a Sunday live at 9:30 about portfolio chat. And these are all open forums. So if you have a question, we are live on Twitch, Twitter, YouTube, and Facebook. And I put in the chat the link to join. If you certainly have a question or like to have a comment, certainly feel free. Or just message here on TikTok if you don't feel like switching over. Definitely give a shout out there. And let's see, I'm going to also put in here so maybe it'll go across every platform. There we go. There we go. All right. So it is now posted to everywhere in all chats. So definitely if you guys want to join in, ask any questions, even if it's off topic, you want to ask a question about business, finances, stocks, the economy, what do you think, or even job related, more than happy to help. I am not a certified financial planner, but I am a licensed broker and I have done trading for quite a while. And I've worked in some big companies. I work privately for for wealthy individuals who trade their money. And that's how I learned how to get better at investing. And it's always been my passion. I also own a moving company, a detailing company. I own several others. I'll put those links to those YouTubes. If you can like and subscribe and help those channels out, that'd be great. I will put those in the description at the end of the stream. But I do own a moving company. I do own a detail company. I also invested in several other people's businesses to help them get started. I also got into I also got into real estate, and I have a pretty large crypto portfolio, but it's nowhere near as large as my stock portfolio, which I definitely recommend everyone should have. Stocks, don't just get heavily into one, although we are here to talk about crypto. So we are here to talk about crypto. Hey there, buddy. What's up? What you got for us today? Oh, man, I can't hear you. Go ahead. What you got? What's your what's your comment? We're talking about AI, but you could talk about crypto or anything else that you'd like. So can you hear me? Yeah. Well, I'm talking to you right now. What would you like to talk about? Would, or just act? All right. Hey, no problem. Don't be embarrassed. We're all here. You'll be surprised at how many people have the same question that you might have. So there really is no stupid questions, and the only way to learn is to ask and get your answer, or and get other people's feedback. And you might not learn just from me. You might learn from other people joining in and asking questions. So fire away. But hey, do like and subscribe and share as much as you can so we can get the word out. We are a growing channel and I'd love to be able to help as many people as I can with investing and business as much as possible, as I am an actual business owner on there. And you can check those out. You can check those out in on a web page. I got Max Force Moving. We operate nationally. I got a detailing company, Max Auto. You can go check out that channel. It's just at Max Auto Detailing. Definitely like and subscribe there. They do a great job at cleaning, and they have a wonderful reputation. Our moving company has a great reputation. So, and we are always looking to have people help us with those because we are not the best at editing and things like that. So we're more than happy to find someone who can do all that. But thank you guys for coming in and subscribing. We're going to get back to a quick chat while we wait for Cody to join in. Should be in here any minute. But as right now, as you can see, the market's kind of flat. Everything's going to change. James McCartney, hey, thank you for commenting. How did you start up? How'd you get startup cost money? Honestly, I'm a lot older than I look. I'm 39. I'm going to be 40 this year. I worked corporate jobs for about 18 years before I started my business, and I saved. I have my brother, and no chance for that's all I can say is I just been blessed with not aging. That's just what I am. I'm 30 now. I was born in 83. I remember all the tin toys and stuff and Optimus Prime and everything. Remember all those days. I remember when you actually stepped on the toy, you didn't break it. It broke your foot. So it's kind of crazy. But to answer your question there, James, I had about $500,000 in the bank already, which is what I needed. I had family members bring in some money too. We got everything registered and then just went forward from there. Some businesses require a lot. A moving company requires you to get insurance, register, all this other stuff. Before you know it, you're going to spend close to $100,000 just in getting your insurance, your down payment, getting a down payment for the trucks, or if you're going to buy the trucks, having payroll already ready for your team, things like that. Well, we work nationally, but our corporate headquarters is in Arkansas. And I would say if you're going to look to start a business, Arkansas, Northwest Arkansas, NWA, as it's commonly called, is a good place to start a business, as there's a lot of big corporations that do direct business with small businesses. So if you're looking in logistics management or supply chain, or if you have a retail strategy, if you want to start a retail company like a clothing line or a shoe line, you have Walmart and Target out here that they have offices for their buyers here. So you can go and all you got to do is set up an office with, I think they said 1,000 square feet is the minimum that you have to have an office here. Set up your business, register your business here, and then go in there and start promoting your product to their events. And they hold them weekly at the headquarters here. Yeah, I look like a lot of people. I'm just an average mixed guy. I blend in right in the crowd, and that's just how I like it, Sergio. Um, yeah, that was strategically selected, James. It was one. It's a lower cost to entry. Now, I will say this: Arkansas taxes your business, so they will tax you on everything, including your desk. Every year, they do a tax assessment on all your assets, including trucks, business, laptop, even the phone. I'm on everything down to the minimum, even like my printers. And trust me, computer equipment doesn't have any value. Once you buy it, it's kind of worthless. Um, it's so I would say Arkansas is still a pretty good place to get in on business here. Um, but there's other places. Florida's a pretty good place. Texas is pretty good. Um, there's a few other places. There's a few other places. I just wouldn't go into New York, like New York City, because you got a lot of competition already, and that's very, very, very hard to break out there. But the harder your environment and the more you work, the bigger your reward will be. So, and that goes for any company that you'd like to start. So, so let's get back in here talking a little bit about crypto. I know that the stock markets is kind of acting sideways. Me personally, I'm gonna say everything's gonna act sideways here. AI is going to be a huge effect on this. You already have big brokerage firms doing BlackRock, JP Morgan, Bank of America. They're all using AI to try to track and predict the economy. Now, the mistake I think with people is you can't really predict human nature because you never know when people are going to get scared, they're going to change, they're going to do other things. It's almost impossible to predict what other people are going to do, let alone in mass what people are going to do. If you hear that, the dog's in there drinking water, so I know it's bad radio, but I got nowhere else to put them. Um, so I just think I think AI can help. Now, there's been a lot of people promoting AI bots, and I think that'd be a good that might be a good route to go in. So so let me give me a second. I gotta get my dogs in the back here. Hey, come on, bro. Come on. Odin, come on. Man, sorry about that. Had to get that my little dog back in the back of the office, or else he's gonna bark up a storm. Um, but yeah, like a lot of the big financial firms are using AI to try to predict the human nature, and it's just impossible to predict human nature. You might as well be trying to. I think you have a better chance of seeing the face of God before you can predict human nature. So, with that being said, AI can still be a useful tool. It can help you. It can help you grow. It can help you grow your writing skills or come up with new techniques. I use an AI program to build my detailing website, and let me tell you something. It worked wonders. It kind of hits all the points, follows trends, and used an AI bot to manage the chat. And excuse me, it's been such a benefit for me. But other outside of that, I really don't see it happening. But I do. The biggest scary thing is that people want to talk about AI is that it's going to change the job market, and AI is definitely going to change the job market. Uh, it's definitely going to hit that. Now, it's not going to hit that in the areas where people think AI will hit. Uh, James, yeah, I learned through trial and error and just reading up. YouTube's the best information. I just learned from other people coding. My brother also does a lot of coding and stuff like that. So I just learn, ask questions, try, fail, try, fail, try, fail, and then eventually we figured it out and got something going. And it took forever, but you can also overlay other programs because a lot of the source code is free out there. So you can just kind of copy it, change it a little bit, and make it your own. So it was a tedious process. I would say probably about a year's worth of work because none of us had really any formal knowledge of it, except my brother understands it, but that's how we did it. But anyway, AI is going to take away a lot of the menial jobs. So like I could see like the secretary jobs, you won't have those anymore because the AI can do it better and is always constantly available. The You got data entry AI. You got hey yeah James. Hey, if you'd love to have you get on, you can definitely come on Sundays. We could do a little long chat. We try to sit down and chat with everybody as much as we can. I usually only can give about an hour in the mornings, because I am running my business. I am right now in my sales office. So once I am done, once I finish up with this here, I go right to business, and it doesn't stop till end. But anyone who wants to join in, feel free, ask questions, like and subscribe. Definitely follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. We're trying to get our followings up so we can reach more people. Excuse me. So AI is definitely going to get rid of a lot of those menial jobs. It's going to hurt for a while because those people are going to have to then go back, relearn skills, find a different market to go into. So, and you're already starting to see it where there's very, very, very simple non-algorithmic AI that's been running like the back end stuff of your registers, like those self checkout registers. Even Amazon is doing a no employee store, and I think that's going to start going wide, but we'll have to see. AI definitely going to change the game in that regards, and we are going to grow and definitely build up. So give me 1 second. I'm just going to put you on a quick pause here while I come in. I'm just live streaming. You would just wait in the car or just be quiet. You don't want. Come on. Come on. Okay, sorry about that. Had to get the door here. But like I said, AI was definitely going to change. They're definitely going to change how the job market's going to happen, but not really going to affect anything in the long term. So we're still waiting. I don't know if Cody's going to join us today, but like and subscribe. This might be short because my calls are starting to come in. Thank you guys for all the support. We're up to 388, 403 likes. Keep the likes going. Keep sharing. Let me know if you guys have any questions or concerns yourself with AI. I'm definitely more than happy to help. I do apologize. I had to get my water. Haven't even had coffee yet. But we're about ready to start this day, so I'm going to wrap this up here. But if you're looking for AI and to join, you're going to have to go find a course somewhere, either a college, or I'd recommend probably going to a university to get that course to learn about it. A lot of them have open lectures that they advertise, that they film for YouTube. Yeah, YouTube would be a good place to learn about AI. I think it was Berkeley that actually puts their lectures on YouTube or on Twitch. I think that you can learn about AI and everything. I learned a lot of things from my brother too, so that's how I learned. But YouTube can supply you with a lot of things other than just entertainment. There's a lot of knowledge out there, including just even handiwork that you can learn too. So I'm guessing Cody is running a little late. We won't be able to hop on for us, but hey, I'm going to have to cut this a little short, but thank you guys. We got 446 likes. I do appreciate the support. Like and subscribe. Also join us every day, 8:30. That's when we start our live sessions, Monday through Friday. Just quick talking about business, markets, and anything else that anybody wants to talk about. And also feel free, like us on Facebook, and the links that are for our businesses are in there. Please like and subscribe and support us there. And if you are in the Northwest Arkansas area, definitely help us out, and give us some support. Every little bit of support helps, especially with growing any business. And if you have a business, we'll definitely be happy to shout you out as well. But thank you guys, and we will definitely be seeing you tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to us on YouTube.